Hello, this is Collins, and on this video I'll show you how you can edit your DOM theme. So when you scroll down, you find that the header is no longer sticky. When I scroll up, the header becomes sticky again. So I'm going to show you how to edit this. So when you're scrolling down or up, the header is always there, right? So you go to your Shopify admin, click on online store themes, go to actions, edit code, pop up the code editor. I just want to fix this up, right? So you can see. So once the editor is opened, you want to go ahead and search for header. So we want to edit the header section. So you find this is under the sections folder. So header.liquid. We open this up. So you can either hit Ctrl F from here, Ctrl F, then you search for header hidden. Right? It's going to bring you to the part of the code we want to edit. Or you can just scroll down and get to line 643. So either one that works for you. So this is the code we want to edit. So I don't always recommend you directly just edit a code. So before you edit a code, you make like a duplicate of it. So in case you want to bring the feature back in the future, right? So all we need to do is just copy this, Ctrl C it, then create a space above it, then Ctrl V it. So have a duplicate of this. So we'll comment out this one. So by adding these two slashes, we've commented out this line is no longer going to work. So now we can edit the first one. So we have a copy now, right? So we are safe. So now I'm going to just remove this part. So this is just this class that makes this to hide when you're scrolling up the page. So I'm going to remove this now. So now I'm going to save it, right? So when it says asset saved, you cannot go onto your store and refresh the page. All right, so now okay, so I'm going to refresh the page again to see there was a hiccup in saving the page. I'm going to check everything, so everything looks okay, right? I'm going to just refresh it one more time. All right, so I'm going to refresh this one more time. I'm going to save this again. And come back here and refresh this. It is, so as you can see, it's working now though. So I think that's it. It was an internet issue from my end, but just how you do this, you just, so I can see when we scroll down now, it is working. It is sticky. When we scroll up, it is sticky. Scroll down, it is sticky. So that's just all you need to do. Just add this and you're pretty much good to go. So I always recommend it in case where maybe you did something else or you are trying to edit something and you broke something, you can just click on this older version to always take you back to. So this is like some form of version control. So these are like all of the versions of the same file from like maybe say like the last 8 edits that you made. So I can revert back to this time. So you're always safe if in case you make any mistake. All right, so this is how you do this. Thank you. Feel free to add any comments to this section if you have any questions. All right, thank you, and I hope you find this very helpful and useful. All right, have a safe one.